Hey, what up, what up? What it do? I'm kidding. We are back with another video. And we are gonna cruise around with my buddy on the booth, so you guys know him from my very first video. And you guys are loving, no, I won't say that. I am loving all the support from everyone. That first video got a lot of views. I never thought it would get anywhere over 1,000 views. And it's got a pretty good amount of likes. And we finally hit that milestone we were looking for. That 100 subscribers. And that is huge for me. You know, I really love all the support I get from you guys. And I never thought that I would get anywhere over 50, but you know, I guess it pays off when, if you're out enjoying yourself, people enjoy you, you know? Oh. But we are here, and we're gonna wait for him to come out here. Got the jams playing. Here's a penny. What the? Some. I want it. Where'd it go? Oh. Oh, there's 2 pennies. You know what they say? I don't know what they say, but I'm sure there's something they say about this. Alright guys, we'll see you when he's here.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, welcome back. We got a, I think his battery's messed up. So we gotta go buy a new battery really quick at AutoZone. I was hoping he'd ride in front of me, that way if it dies I would know. I don't want to just keep going. Go, 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 go.
Get the battery charged.
Nope, I guess we're gonna keep riding then. It is pretty hot today, honestly. But it's manageable. As long as you're rolling, you're good. But if you're not, it's terrible. What the hell?
My dad's going to ride and get it charged up for a little while.
Okay. My helmet didn't click. No. There we go. I think I want to get, so there's a couple of helmets that I want to get. Pista, a KYT, or a shark helmet. Those are like my top 3. Let me know what guys' helmet.
What did he say?
Let me know in the comments. I said let me know what guys. Let me know what helmets you guys use if you do ride, or which helmet you would get if you were to start riding. Well, currently I use the, as I said in my first video, I have the EXO R1 Air Scorpion helmet. It's roughly about $600 before tax. It's like $5.99 before tax or something like that. And it is, I love it. It's just, I don't know. I kind of want something a little bit sleeker. I think I already said it. I was gonna say thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I don't know. I'm so happy about that. That's really insane. I didn't, you know, just to have like you guys want to see this stuff, you know. I was like, okay. Bus. American Choice Auto Group. Oh man, you just cannot. That sound, the sound that you get from motorcycles are insane. And I don't even have anything. Like I just have like stock headers and stuff on this, of course, and it's just a slip-on M4 exhaust. That's all it is. But tell you, I absolutely love that sound. Probably doesn't sound anything like that. But this thing really doesn't start like screaming until you reach like 8, unless you're in like first. Well, even in second gear you can see. But it's still freaking cold. I need to go there. I've been watching. What happened, bro? Stay out of the street. I started watching The Walking Dead, and I'm just like, what up, bro? I'm just like, what would I do if there was a zombie apocalypse? And I was like, let me see what weapons I got. And I got this Leatherman's multi-tool. I'm like, let's go. That's all I got. But you know what else I got? These hands. What up, bro? That Kia Stinger is not getting sold. They're probably overpricing that thing. It's been there for like a month. But then again, the Kia Stinger isn't anything insane. But let's get it. Running man, running man, running man. Oh, I love when it starts to scream. Almost sounded like a crazy person. I love it when they scream.
What? What the fuck?
You're a psychopath. I am not a psychopath, I promise. I mean, would you be a psychopath if you pour your milk before the cereal? Hey, he's getting on the highway? That's crazy.
Crazy? I was crazy once.
How far are we going though? What do you guys like seeing me ride? Do you like seeing me ride on the highway? In the city? Uh-oh. That was an accident. Really? You guys know how much I hate traffic. But the problem is he's not as reckless, I guess. I wouldn't call it reckless. He's not as, I don't know, he doesn't really take it the way I take it. He's a lot calmer. He has more patience. I don't have patience. Like if I was by myself right now, that would be probably on the curb up there by now. There it is again. What the heck is that? Didn't we see this before in another video? What is that? That's disgusting. What up, girl? Because they're all in like gaps or holes. But it's gross. Like you couldn't pick another color? Why is it orange? Come on, bro. No, that's not how you do it. You gotta toss it. You don't flick it in there. I mean, you can, but it's easier when you flick the wrist, but toss it forward. That guy straight just, yeah. His form was all wrong. You gotta squat, bro. You gotta squat. This bag or anything. Those things are cool. I wish I had them. Oh, is it like an attachment? That thing's like an attachment. It's gotta be. I mean, I can get an attachment on my motorcycle. Many I got the hiccups. That reminds me of the truck from Fear the Walking Dead. That's the same freaking truck. That's the truck of the father, Travis. Oh, Lord. Tell me I'm wrong. That was, I hope you guys could see it. Is that a chicken coop? I hope you guys could see that truck. I really didn't get a good look at it for the camera. What the? Kitty! What are you doing? There's a little cat over there, little guy. What's wrong? He just kind of sat in the middle of the road, like, for the parking lot. You know, he's just kind of sitting there, a little kind of sad. The guy, what's up? I wonder if we're gonna stop and get some food. There's a bar over here that sells like these homemade mozzarella sticks. Paro painting. What up, bro? We are back, guys. We are back. Wait a second. Is that? That's the SD card? No shot. Did I just change my battery for nothing? I can't really see it that well.
You do parking for bikes right up here in the front. That's
oh, okay. That's dope. Any of these or just this? Dope. I was wondering, like, what's going on? I thought we were in trouble. Like, nope, you can't out loud. Like, there's two right there.
What's going on?
Huh? Motorcycle parking.
You said what?
Motorcycle parking. Oh, it was like, yeah, they were waving. He was trying to wave us down and tell us we could park here. So, for real?
Huh?
Your hand looks better.
That shit still hurt like a bitch.
Yeah.
Not as bad. I guess we can go check out and see if we can have some.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna go in here and see if we can get some food. I've never been here before, so hopefully it's not anything ridiculous. So, maybe I'll take a picture of the food too. We'll see.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, we're back. Yo was right. Yep, this is the SD card. Need to delete some stuff off here because I only got one. But that food was pretty good. Pretty good. I had some it was like a lobster roll. And it was pretty fire. thought he tapped his head. I'm like, fucking cop. So I'm like, all right, I'm not gonna wait up for him.